There are new warnings tonight about children's cough syrup, and there are regulations now from the FDA. Here's ABC News correspondent Lana Zach with that story.
Parents, keep your eyes open. Cough syrup labels are being changed by the Food and Drug Administration. To prevent serious cases of medication overdose, hydrocodone-based cough syrups are no longer being recommended for children under age 18. With America's opioid crisis making headlines, the FDA's decision to change labels should prevent parents from exposing their kids to unnecessary opioids. And cough syrups aren't always the right answer. The best therapy for a cough is still rest and plenty of hydration. Of course, if your child is still sick after a day or two, their fever is high, or you're worried, you should get on the phone and talk to your pediatrician. With this Medical Minute, I'm Lana Zach, ABC News.